Shubh Swagatam and welcome to each and every one of you to this, the first of 3 evenings of Ram Leela here at Swaha Hindu College. So I want to warmly welcome all of you, all our special guests who are here on this first evening. We know it's always the first night. It takes a little while to get going, so I apologize for the late start this evening. Tonight we have a visiting group, one of the groups that affiliate with us and work with us on a regular basis. That's the Shiv Gana organization. They will be doing the Ram Leela presentation tonight. And just to remind you, tomorrow night will be Swaha Tulsi Manas Primary and Tulsi Manas Mandir. And then, of course, on Sunday will be Swaha Hindu College and the burning of Ravan. So we're inviting you to come out and support the other 2 nights. And please, spread the word. Let people know that, of course, we have Ram Leela taking place in our way here, stage Ram Leela, really. We are about to begin with the Havan and invocation mantras, which is necessary. Always, each and every night, we begin with our prayer. So I ask that wherever you are, we please all stand just for the invocation mantras, and Pandit Chandradev Dubey will let you know when to take your seat. And sitting as a Shrota is one of our teachers, Pandit Satyanand Maharaj. I hand over to Panditji.
Bole Shri Gajanan Swami Ki Jai. Sitaram devotees, and welcome to the first night of our 3 nights Ram Leela, hosted by the Swaha Hindu College. Tonight, as Panditji stated, it will be members of the Shiv Gana organization. Tomorrow, the Swaha Tulsi Manas Mandir and the Swaha Tulsi Manas Primary School. And on the last night, the Swaha Hindu College. We now commence with Invocation Month. In your minds, Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Om Gham Ganapatiye Namaha. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namo Namaha. Om Adau Ganapatam Vande Vignanasanam Vinayakas Rechesh Deva Jananam Grihastapam Madhabai. Om Swastino Indra Vradashravaha Swastino Pusha Vishwaveda Swastina Stakshur Adistanimihi Swastino Brihaspatar Dadatu Bhiyo Prathavyam Paya Oshadheshu Payo Debra Antadikshahi Payodaha Payosvati Pradesha Santumyam Om Vishnu Radatamasi Vishnu Snaptristu Vishnu Surasi Vishnu Truvasi Vishnu Vimasi Vishnu Vaitva Om Aknir Devta Vatu Devta Sudyo Devta Chandrama Devta Vasuvo Devta Rudra Devta Ditya Devta Maruto Devta Vishnavi Deva Devta Brihaspati Devantano Devta Om Devta Shantar Antadiksho Gwam Shanti Pratavi Shanti Apa Shantar Om Shadya Shanti Vanaspati Shanti Vishnavi Deva Shanti Brahma Shanti Sattva Gwam Shantar Shanti Eva Shanti Sama Shanti Radhi Shanti Bhole Shri Gajanan Swami Ki Jai. You can now take your seats. In front, Lord Ganesh. Take flowers. We now do some invocation month. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Kotar Samprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvara Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandham Pushti Vardhanam Urvarakamiva Bandhana Mrityormokshyamamrata Om Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvata Sarike Sharanyetra Mike Gauri Narayani Namastute Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Durge Rupina Sansita Namastasyai 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 Namo Nama Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Lakshmi Rupina Sansita Namastasyai 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 Namo Nama Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Saraswati Rupina Sansita Namastasyai 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 Namo Nama Ramaya Rama Bhadraya Ramachandraya Virase Raghunataya Nataya Sitaya Patiye Nama Om Apadhamapa Hartaram Dartaram Sarvasampadam Lokabhiramam Shri Ramam Bhuyo Bhuyo Ma Namamyaham Om Rama Rama Ramiti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranam Tattulyam Ramanam Varanane Om Shantakaram Bhujakashayinam Padmanabham Sudesham Vishwadharam Gaganasadresham Megapadanam Shubhangam Lakshmi Kantam Kamananainam Yogi Bradhanagamyam Vande Vishnu Bhavaihadanam Sarvalok Ekanatanam Om Goshpari Kripa Vadesham Ashaki Kripa Rakshasam Ramayan Mahamala Ratnam Vande Anilatmajam Om Ang Jaulat Mukhe Arun Mata Varun Pita Shandal Gotra Pwakanam Agnir Devta Namastute Guruda Brahma Guruda Vishnu Guruda Devo Maheshwara Guruda Sakshat Panam Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurudevo Namaha Om Shri Ganeshaya Namo Namah Om Shri Sita Ramachandrai Namo Nama Om Shri Hanumantai Namo Nama Om Shri Agnar Devta Namo Namaha. Put it inside, Halikalsa. What some drops? Om Sarvapapharam Tibyam Gangeyam Nirmalam Chalam Achmanyam Cha Maya Dattam Grihitam Parameshwaram. Om Shri Khanda Chandanam Dibyam Gandhanam Sumanoharam Vilepanam Surechristam Chandadhanam Prati Ingrihitam. Om Ambe Ambike Ambalike Hamanhyanti Kashtana Sasyasta Asvika Supatrikam Kampella Vasanim Bhole Shri Panchlokpal Devta Ki Jai. Om Abhiraram Cha Gulalam Cha Chauva Chandanameva Cha Abhiro Nachata Devi Ata Shanti Prayahasi Gandham Samadpiyami. Flowers. Om Mahalyandhini Sugandhini Malyeri Ve Prabhu Maya Hiratani Pujatam Pushpani Pratigrihitam. Om Shri Ganeshaya Nama Pushpam Samadpiyami. Arati. As we welcome Lakshmi Mata. Bole Shri Lakshmi Mata Ki Jai. Some Google anyhow. Om Shri Siddheshwari Lakshmi Mata Bhyo Namo Nama Swaha. Very good. Flowers are only parai. Om Siddhi Buddhi Prade Devi Bhukti Mukti Pradayani Mantra Murti Saradevi Mahalakshmi Namastute. Use a dry. So devotees, I invite everyone to join in Swaha. Om Bhurбhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvadenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat Swaha. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah Swaha. Om Namaschandikaye Namah Swaha. Om Namah Shivaya Swaha. Om Shri Lakshmi Mata Bhyo Namo Namah Swaha. Om Shri Saraswati Mata Namah Swaha. Om Shri Sita Ramachandraye Namah Swaha. Om Shri Radhe Krishnaye Namah Swaha. Om Shri Panchlokpal Devta Bhyo Namah Swaha. Om Shri Kailash Devta Namah Swaha. Om Shri Suryadi Naugraha Devta Bhyo Namah Swaha. Om Shri Chandra Devta Namah Swaha. Om Shri Mangal Devta Namah Swaha. Om Shri Buddha Devta Namah Swaha. Om Shri Brihaspati Devta Namah Swaha. Om Shri Shukra Devta Namah Swaha. Arahuve Namah Swaha. केतवे नमः स्वाहा ओम श्री 33 करोड़ देवताभ्यो नमः स्वाहा ओम श्री तुलसी महारानीभ्यो नमो नमः स्वाहा ओम श्री पृथ्वी माता नमो नमः स्वाहा ओम श्री गंगा माता नमो नमः स्वाहा ओम श्री सर्वदेव सर्वदेवीभ्यो नमः स्वाहा. Pick up the rest for this and stand. I invite everyone to stand for the final offering. Om Namah Shambhavaya Cha Maya Bhavaya Cha Maya Sankaraya Cha Maya Skadaya Cha Shivaya Cha Shivtadaya Cha Om Namah Shivaya Om Pranamada Pranamidam Pranat Pranamadachyate Pranasya Pranamadaya Pranameva Vashishyate Om Sarvam Ve Pranagwam Swaha. Make Achman, our only Hawan. Om Sarvapapадам Devyam Gangeyam Nirmalam Jalam Achmanyam Cha Maya Datam Grihitam Parameshwaram Idam Achmanyam Samadpayami. It's Pali flame, east west, north and south. Om Lakshmi Karotu Kalyanam Arogyam Sukha Sampadam Mashatra Vinashaya Deepa Jyotir Namastute Om Shri Lakshmi Mata Namo Nama Deepam Nama Samarpayami. Bole Shri Gajanan Swami Ki Jai Umapati Mahadeva Ki Jai Bol Shri Lakshmi Mata Ki Jai.
Devotees, you could be seated. Before our closing mantras, we say thanks to Pandit Chandradev Dubeji, Pandit Satyanand Ashrota. I ask that before we close, because join with me is Ram Leela, and we, even though we have, of course, a visiting group, Shiv Gana organization, so they are making preparations. We, just for a couple moments, we focus upon Prabhu Sri Ram. I'll just do 2 chaupai. Well known, at least I think so. I hope you can join with me. We focus upon the Lord. Om Apadam Aparataram Dataram Sarvasampadam Lokabhiramam Sri Ramam Bhuyo Bhuyo Namamyam. We join together. Mangala Bhavana Mangala Hari Dravahu Sodasharatha Ajira Bihari Mangala Bhavaram Mangala Bhavana Mangala Hari Dravahu Sodasharatha Ajira Bihari Pavana Tanaya Bala Pavana Samana Bodhi Viveka Vijnana Nidhana Pavana Tanaya Ram Pavana Tanaya Bala Pavana Samana Bodhi Viveka Vijnana Nidhana. We all join. Jaya Rama Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Sri Rama Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama Jaya Rama Shri Ram Jaya Rama Shri Rama Jaya Jaya Rama Shri Rama Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Bole Siapati Ramachandra ki jai. Could remain seated. We put our hands together once again. And Jai Shri Sita Ram as we conclude. He Rama Purushottama Narahari Narayana Keshava Govinda Garuda Dvaja Gunanide Damodar Madhava He Krishna Kamalapati Yarupati Sitapati Sripati Vaikundharipati Characharapati Lakshmi Pati Pahimam Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitaya Pataye Namaha Om Shri Sita Ramachandraya Namaha Om Shanti 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 Bole Siapati Ramachandra ki Jai Swaha Mata ki Satya Sanatan Dharma ki. And devotees or performers coming, they would have just performed elsewhere in St. Joseph area at Wassa, I believe. And so they are making their preparations to come on stage. We have one devotee, Odidi Hemi, well known, a member, I should say, of this group, the Shivgan organization. And she's the goddaughter of Pandit Balram, right? Balram Prasadji. And I want to warmly welcome all of you, those who are viewing on IETV, those who are seeing the live stream. Good to see Richie and Rishon Besai. And we welcome, of course, Vivek from IETV who is here. And all our parents or children, visitors. We have a visitor from India. We welcome you. Happy to have you here. I see Dr. Vedvid Manikji and others. I know they are members of the PTA and some of the parents. I may not recognize you. But we are grateful for your support. And I remind you, of course, tomorrow, come out and support. We'll be starting from earlier tomorrow and definitely earlier also on Sunday because we'll be burning Ravan tomorrow. As I said, and Panaji mentioned, Tulsi Manas Mandir. We're starting at what time? Yeah. From 6:30, right? From around 6:30, Tulsi Manas Mandir and Tulsi Manas Primary. And then on Sunday, of course, Ravan is still resting, right? Finishing touches have been put on to Ravan. Will be done on Sunday from around 8:30. We expect Ravan to be burnt. Don't watch on the right, your right. Let them come in and finish up getting dressed. So before Hemi ji comes to do her bhajan, I just want to recognize Trevor Sunarayan, Sir Trevor, or Mr. Trevor Sunarayan, for the fantastic work. I don't know if you all would have seen recently at the President's house, right? Any of you saw the pictures and videos that were featured? And for some reason, they, in my opinion, did not get the prominence that it should, right? But Sir Trevor Sunarayan did a fantastic job supported by those same boys who are out there. So instead of building one 80 feet tall Ravan, come and you'll see it on Sunday, he also built a 40 feet high one for the president. And I think he deserves a round of applause. I see Kiran ji and Krishnamurti ji there. And I heard so much about the Ram Leela, but I feel not enough credit is given to Swaha Hindu College and Sir Trevor and his boys. So we want to commend them. Come out on Saturday, tomorrow night, and then Sunday again. Bole Siapati Ramachandra ki. Thank you for your patience. Thank you to Pandit Chanjadev and Pandit Satyanand. And so, the privilege, I introduce Mrs. Hemi Singh, who will do a bhajan or two until the Ram Leela play for this evening begins. Sitaram.
Sitaram, everyone. It's nice to be here again at the Swaha Hindu College. I'm going to do a beautiful selection here for you. Hope you enjoy. रोशन करो जग सारा, रोशन करो जग सारा। तुम विनती सुनो सबकी, संसार तो माया है, कभी धूप कभी छाया है। एक दिन उसे जाना है, जो भी यहाँ आया है। संसार तो माया है, कभी धूप कभी छाया है। एक दिन उसे जाना है, जो भी यहाँ आया है। क्या रंग है जीवन का, क्या रूप है मानवता। तुम ज्ञान बहा करके उपकार करो दुर्गा, उपकार करो दुर्गा। तुम विनती सुनो सबकी, कल्याण करो जग का। तुम विनती सुनो सबकी, कल्याण करो जग का। सद राह दिखा करके भक्ति जगा दे मन में निश दिन करते वंदन तेरी भक्ति जगा दे मन में निश दिन करते वंदन तू है शक्ति परमेश्वर की कातो भव के बंधन तू है शक्ति परमेश्वर की कातो भव के बंधन लक्ष्मी मैया उतारो तेरी आरती बरसारो माँ कृपा सबको मैया दुखों से तू ही तारती बरसारो माँ कृपा लक्ष्मी मैया उतारो तेरी आरती बरसारो माँ कृपा लक्ष्मी मैया प्रेम का दीप जगाए मैया आरती तेरी उतारे प्रेम का दीप जगाए मैया आरती उतारे हे जग ज्योति कष्ट निवारनी हर लीने अंधियारे हे जग ज्योति कष्ट निवारनी हर लीने अंधियार लक्ष्मी मैया उतारो तेरी आरती बरसारो माँ कृपा सबको मैया दुखों से तू ही तारती बरसारो माँ कृपा लक्ष्मी मैया उतारो तेरी आरती बरसारो माँ कृपा लक्ष्मी मैया Thank you. So you know when you hear this version, it's Diwali time, right? So if you know it, sing along. बंदो चरण कमल रघुनंदन बंदो चरण कमल रघुनंदन कमल रघुनंदन कमल रघुनंदन कमल रघुनंदन Thank you so much. Hope you like this. This is one of my favorites.
दर्शन महारानी दे दर्शन महारानी जय लक्ष्मी कल्याणी मैया जय लक्ष्मी कल्याणी जय लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी कल्याणी लक्ष्मी कल्याणी जय लक्ष्मी कल्याणी आप हो जावे खोले शुक की द्वारे मन में जगावे ज्ञान की ज्योति हर ली दे अंधियारे तू ज्योतिमय शिवानी मैया जय लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी कल्याणी जय लक्ष्मी कल्याणी मैया जय लक्ष्मी कल्याणी जय लक्ष्मी कल्याणी सब आई शरण तिहारी मैया दर्शन महारानी, दे दर्शन महारानी। जय लक्ष्मी कल्याणी मैया, जय लक्ष्मी कल्याणी, जय लक्ष्मी कल्याणी। Thank you.
So at this point in time, we'd like to thank very much Auntie Hemi. Auntie Hemi, you have set the mood for us, and we're really feeling like it's Diwali time just around the corner. So thank you so much. Such a lovely voice. So the stage is set, and we have persons who are eagerly anticipating the Ram Leela play. And today it gives us great pleasure to welcome the Shiv Gana organization. The Shiv Gana organization proudly represents Trinidad and Tobago, performing traditional Ram Leela and Krishna Leela across the Caribbean and India, including at the Ayodhya Research Institute. After a successful 2024 cultural tour in Guyana, the group continues to uphold and promote Sanatan Dharma through vibrant theatrical devotion. And let me tell you, when you see them here tonight, you will understand where all the accolades and so on go. It is much deserving. So at this point in time, we'd like to proudly present Shiv Gana organization for the first night of our Ram Leela presentations.
Sage Vishwamitra arrives at King Dashrath's palace and is received with honors. The king expresses joy and gratitude, seating the sage on his own throne and washing his feet. Vishwamitra's requests Ram and Lakshman to protect his yajna from the Rakshas, revealing the deeper spiritual aim behind the request, desiring the darshan of Lord himself. King Dashrath hesitates to part with his sons, but Guru Vasishtha encourages him, reassuring the king about the spiritual merit and the protection of Ram. The king reluctantly sends Ram and Lakshman to the sage after a poignant farewell with their mothers. On their journey, Vishwamitra points out Taraka, the formidable man-eating demoness. Vishwamitra explains to Ram and Lakshman that Tarika was a princess who was cursed by a sage because Tarika and her son Marich had disrupted their puja. Upon hearing the voices of Ram and Lakshman, Tarika attacked Ram Lakshman. Sitaram once again. We now move on to the scene of Marij and Subaha. At daybreak, Sri Ram said to sage Vishwamitra, "You may now go and perform your yajna without any fear." All the stages started offerings into the fire, while Sri Ram and Lakshman guarded the yajna. The demon, Marij, attacked the ashram with his army. Sri Ram struck him with an headless arrow, and he fell a distance of miles beyond the seashore. The Lord next destroyed Subaha with an arrow of fire, while Lakshman destroyed the rest of the army.
Let's give it up for Shivgan Organization as it brings our next scene to a close. And as we get ready for our next scene, I'd like to welcome our dancers again to the stage. This is Carleen School of Dance, and they're going to do a dance to entertain us as the actors get ready for the next scene. We'd like to thank Carleen School of Dance today for their wonderful dances. And now we pass over to the narrator to take us to our next scene.
Sitaram once again. So the next scene is a beautiful meeting of Ram and Sita in the garden. Sri Ram and Lakshman accompanied the sage and reached the banks of the river Ganga. And resting there, they were told how that celestial stream had purified the whole universe, had come down upon earth. Then, accompanied by a troop of hermits, the Lord gladly proceeded near the capital of the Vedas, Mithili. And Ram and Lakshman were very delighted and amazed at the beauty of the city. On seeing a mango grove, Sage Vishwamitra said, "O wise hero of the Raghu race, I like this orchard. Let us stay here," to which he assented. When King Janak got the news that the great sage Vishwamitra had come, he took with him his faithful ministers, a number of warriors, noble Brahmins, his family guru, Satanand, and his chief minister, and went to meet the prince of sages. After placing his head at the feet of sage, he inquired about the sage's welfare again and again, and the sage Vishwamitra gave him a seat. At the very same time arrived two brothers who had gone to the garden, and on their arrival, the entire of Janak's party rose when the Lord of the Raghus came, and the sage Vishwamitra seated him by his side. Gazing at Sri Ram's lovely and charming form, King Janak was beaming with joy. He inquired about the origins of the two young men, and the sage Vishwamitra replied that they are the sons of King Dashrath, the jewel of the Raghu race. The king had sent for them for my cause. The king, after continually gazing at the Lord over and over again, he bowed to the sage and then escorted him to his capital, where he gave him a place which was comfortable at all times. Sri Ram, knowing that Lakshman in his heart wanted to visit the city, asked sage Vishwamitra for permission to tour the city. Sage Vishwamitra said, "Go blissfully, pair of brothers, having seen the city, come back, bless the eyes of all by showing them your charming countenance." Saluting the feet of the sage, they both toured the city, beholding the exquisite beauty of the two brothers. The troop of boys followed, their eyes, mind being enamored of it. When the citizens received the news that the two princes had come to see the town, they all ran out of their businesses and homes and attained the consummation of their eyes. And they all spoke of one another about the unsurpassable beauty of Sri Ram and Lakshman. The two brothers reached the eastern quarter of the city and were shown by the boys the arena where the Dhanush Yagya would take place. Then they returned to the sage Vishwamitra. At night, they all gathered, performed their evening devotions, and while the sage recited Puranic Kathas, sage Vishwamitra then retired to his bed, and Sri Ram and Lakshman began to massage his feet. The next morning, with the permission of the gardeners, the two brothers happily began to gather leaves and flowers. At that very time, Sita arrived there, having been sent by her mother to worship Girija. Accompanied by her companions, they sang bhajans in enchanting voices. She offered puja with great devotion and begged of the Devi a handsome match worthy of herself. One of her friends who had strayed from the group took a look at the garden, chanced what happened to see, and by chance happened to see the brothers, and returned to Sita overwhelmed with love. Hearing the tinkling of bangles and the small bells around the waists and ankles, Sri Ram thought to himself and then said to Lakshman, "It seems as if the God of love has sounded his drums to conquer the whole universe." And so saying, he looked once again, his eyes feasted on Sita's beauty, without even winking. He admired her beauty in his heart, but words failed him. He felt as he admired the beauty in his heart, but words failed him. He felt as he, the Creator, had put the entire creation in visible form and demonstrated it to the world at large. He thought to himself, "She lends charm to charm itself and looks as if a flame of light is burning in a house of beauty." He then spoke to Lakshman, "Brother, She is none other than the King Janak, for whom the bow of sacrifice is being arranged. She has been escorted by her friends to do worship to Gaudima and is moving about in the garden, diffusing light all about her. My heart, which is naturally pure, is agitated by the sight of her transcendent beauty. The reason for all of this is known to God alone. But I tell you, my brother, my right limbs are throbbing, which indicates the coming of the good fortune. Sita looked shyly around, her mind at loss to where the princess had gone. Her friends then pointed out to her the two lovely brothers. Beholding the beauty of the two princes, her eyes became motionless at Sri Ram's loveliness, and she shut her eyes and captured him in her heart.
गौर पूजो आहा गौर पूजो आहा गौर पूजो गौरी गणेश हो तिक हो धरती मैया माता तुम्हारा गौर पूजो आहा गौर पूजो आहा गौर पूजो गौरी गणेश हो तिक हो धरती मैया नामा पुकारा तोहरे भरोसे मैया मैं जगतानी हो तोहरे भरोसे मैया मैं जगतानी हो मोरे जगह पूरा न हो रामा मोरे जगह पूरा न हो मोरे रामा गौर पूजो आहा गौर पूजो आहा गौर पूजो गौरी गणेश हो तिक हो धरती मैया माता तुम्हारा गौर पूजो आहा गौर पूजो आहा गौर पूजो गौरी गणेश हो तिक हो भवानी मैया नामा पुकारा जग पूरन होई हो रामा मोरे जग पूरन हो मोरे रामा गौर पूजो आहा गौर पूजो आहा गौर पूजो गौरी गणेश हो देखो भवानी मैया माता तुम्हारा आहा गौर पूजो आहा गौर पूजो आहा गौर पूजो गौरी गणेश हो देखो भवानी मैया माता तुम्हारा गौर पूजो गौर पूजो गौरी गणेश हो देखो धरती मैया माता तुम्हारा गौर पूजो गौरी गणेश हो देखो धरती मैया ना पुकारा शक्ति माँ जय शक्ति माँ जय शक्ति माँ जय महाकाली शक्ति माँ जय महाकाली शक्ति माँ बोलो शक्ति माँ जय शक्ति माँ जय महाकाली शक्ति माँ तू ही शारदा तू ही सरस्वती तू ही शारदा तू ही सरस्वती तू ही जगत जननी माँ तू ही जगत जननी माँ तू ही शारदा तू ही सरस्वती तू ही जगत जननी माँ शक्ति माँ शक्ति माँ शक्ति माँ जय शक्ति माँ शक्ति माँ जय शक्ति माँ जय महाकाली शक्ति माँ जय महाकाली शक्ति माँ काली का नाम जपो मन मेरा दुर्गा रे संगत तेरा काली का नाम जपो मन मेरा दुर्गा रे संगत तेरा शक्ति माँ शक्ति माँ शक्ति माँ जय शक्ति माँ शक्ति माँ जय शक्ति माँ जय महाकाली शक्ति माँ जय महाकाली शक्ति माँ जगदम्बा देवी जय 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 जगदम्बा देवी जगदम्बा देवी जय 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 जगदम्बा देवी हो जगदम्बा देवी जय 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 जगदम्बा देवी हो जगदम्बा देवी जय 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 जगदम्बा देवी जय 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 जगदम्बा देवी जय 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 जगदम्बा
बोले सियापति रामचंद्र की सत्य सनातन धर्म की स्वाहा माता की. So devotees, we have come to the end of our first night of Ram Leela, and I wanted to give the players from the Shiv Gana organization a lusty round of applause. I thank you for your patience. I know we started a little bit later than expected, but each night we hope to finish by this time, by 8:30, right? Tonight I want to say special thanks to Shiv Gana organization, of course led by Sri Krishnamurti Ramjit Ji, assisted by, of course, we have other members of the board who are here. In particular, we have Kiran here, we have Hemi, and there are other devotees. You know, I start calling names and I don't want to leave out anyone. I would say all the devotees of Shiv Gana. Again, let's give them a long round of applause. In particular, also, we want to thank the PTA of the Swaha Hindu College, the chairperson, who is here, of course, Mr. Danesh Sagam, the vice chairperson, Mr. Ali here, and we thank you for the tremendous support that you have given. And in particular, also, we must say special thanks to Farid and crew, his father, his brother, and others from FNS Sounds. Special thanks to them, and also Rishi and Rishon Besai for the wonderful job that they have been doing with the live streaming. Also from IETV, of course, Vivek, special thanks. The Tassa drummers and all those who came out and support. We look forward to your support tomorrow and, of course, Sunday for the culmination. Come and see. I believe it is the largest Rawan in Trinidad and Tobago. It's going to be, they say, 89 feet, maybe 90 feet tall. So come out and support Dr. Vedavid Manik, and I see devotees of a few other temples who have joined us. Special thanks and blessings to you. Before our closing prayer, I bring on the talented Tassa drummers, and they're very talented. They played for my wedding 25 years ago, right? Not all of them, a couple of them, right? So we bring them on. Let's hear it for the Tassa drummers. All right, devotees, so what we will do, the Tassa will bring down the curtain, but at this time, I ask that we all join together. If you can stand just for a moment as we join together in our closing prayer, and then to end off everything, we have the wonderful Tassa. I want to make an announcement, of course, for all of you now. Tomorrow and Sunday, you don't have permission to go to Inagar, right? But from Monday, you can go and support the Shiv Gana organization. They're performing nightly from tomorrow at Diwali Nagar. So I'm advertising for them, right? So go out and support them, and of course support Sanatan Dharma and Indian culture. We join together. Om Rama Rameti Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tatulyam Rama Nama Varanane Tvameva Mata Chapita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhu Shasaka Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. बोले सियापति रामचंद्र की, महापति महादेव की, स्वाहा माता की, सत्य सनातन धर्म की, सीताराम।